In 1954 and 1955, Lionel sold the number 2245 Texas Special F3. This is the 54 catalog, and this was one of the two places they showed it. They showed it as a freight, but also with passenger cars. But they only made it 2 years, and you can see it's just beautiful red. And they made it as an AB unit. That's how they sold it. And the B unit in 55 had no porthole windows. This is a 54. You can tell it that way. Then I've added on a more recent 2011 Texas Special Refrigerated Express Delivery boxcar. And what's neat about it was a special edition for one of the train shows, I think. But you see the chrome milk holders or whatever there, containers. And so I tagged that on to this 70-year-old plus train. But it runs very, very nicely and has, of course, the horn of that era too. Light in the front. Just a nice running train. Very pretty train too. Maybe you could hear that horn. They weren't loud. Okay, back it up here. That is the Lionel 2245 Texas Special F3 A and B unit with the little boxcar on the back.